sali ng all the government, I will only be tried or face a trial in a Philippine court presided by a Filipino judge, prosecuted by a Filipino. And maybe they can reimpose death penalty and die in Filipino hand. I will not answer a Caucasian asking question, a white man there. You must be stupid. Who are you? I am a Filipino. We have our courts here. You have to bring me somewhere else. I would not like that. I have my country. It's working. I know it's working. Justice is working here. As a matter of fact, every policeman over. But if